Hello, welcome back. It's video number 7, chapter 3. We're going to talk about multiplication in this video, and then the next video we'll get into division. We are on page 12 in your notes. So let's talk about what we're saying here on page 12. What you want to fill in your blanks here are the words multiply and divide, and we'll read through it here in just a second. To multiply or divide with mixed numbers. So we're talking about multiplication or division with mixed numbers. Okay, there's really only one way to do that. It's right here. It's to first convert the mixed numbers to fractions and then multiply or divide appropriately. Okay, and then when appropriate, change your answer to a mixed number if necessary. There. So let's just do a couple of multiplication questions here, and we'll call it good for this video. Then we'll pick up the next one with division. There, here we go. We have 6 times 2.5. So if I am going to multiply those, what we want to do is change them both to mixed numbers. Change them both to fraction notation, like such. Remember, any whole number is just over 1, so we didn't have to do much there. And again, you do your check mark 2 times 2 plus 1. Get that 5 over 2. Now we're going to multiply, and notice you've got a common factor here of 2 that goes into 2 and 6, if you recall that. So you end up basically with 3 times 5 as your numerator, and that ends up being 15 over 1. My 1 got a little chopped off at the bottom right there, but I think you can see it just fine. 15 over 1, which is 15 there. So there's your solution to the first slide on page 13. And let's go ahead and look at the bottom slide here. And I think if you survived addition and subtraction with this, you'll be able to roll through the multiplication part probably a little easier for you, I hope. But let's go ahead and change these values. Again, we should know how to do this by now, how to get that 9. And same thing right there, 15 plus 2 is 17. The nice thing is we don't have to worry about common denominators with multiplication or division. Okay, so that's nice. Looking at these two numbers, I don't see any factors in numerators or denominators that can cancel. I don't see anything, so you're just going to have to multiply here. That's 17. That 9 times 17 is 153. Now the nice thing is that's all on your multiplication chart, so even though these are kind of bigger, uglier numbers, so to speak, it's all right there on the 20 by 20 table. You can check 9 by 17 is on there, and then you can divide that out if you're asked for a mixed number. 20 goes in there 7 whole times with 13 left over, so that's 13 out of 20 for you right there. So that is multiplication. And I'm probably most comfortable just stopping that one. That's a nice short video for you. And then I'll pick up the next one with division. I think that would probably be best for you. So talk to you in a minute.